Linking your bank account to Lambda Labs is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments and transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create or log into your Lambda Labs account. Visit the Lambda Labs website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account setting. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRAT to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In account settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account Linking. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. Fill in the required fields, including your account number, routing number, and any other necessary details. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save All Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a verification email or notification. Now your bank account is linked to Lambda Labs, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.